Welcome to this 15-minute low-impact cardio kickboxing workout. We are going to focus on burning calories and tightening up our cores with non-stop kickboxing moves, all without any jumping. Feel free to go at your own pace. No matter how slow you go, you're guaranteed to get a great workout. Now let's get started. Let's warm up our bodies here with some front jabs. Start with soft jabs and let's slowly get your heart rate up. Ready to throw some cross punches to the side? Let's go! Now bring those fists upward. Keep that energy going. Let's kick your heels to your glutes and pull those elbows back at the same time. Stay here in a squat position and throw strong jabs to the front. Keep your core tight and stable. Don't let it move. Let's do speed rolls and throw one strong jab to the front. Add a squat down and up for that extra burn. Roll your fists as fast as possible and keep your elbows out to the side for better muscle engagement. Now kick your heels to your glutes, this time with both arms reaching up high. Keep going. Twist your abs by bringing your elbow toward your knee. Focus on lifting your knee up high rather than dropping your elbow too low. Raising your knee engages your lower abs more effectively. It also prevents slouching or rounding your back. The goal is to focus on our core, so keeping the movement intentional and centered around the midsection is the key. Let's start walking with jab cross punches. Keep your jab strong and twist your upper core as you punch across. Feel that power. Step out with your left foot as you jab, reaching farther for a stronger punch. Ready to do the same on the other side? Let's go! Now punch down hard, like you are crushing something. This is a powerful movement. Bring your elbow up and strike with force. Let's do bob and weave by bending your knees and moving in a U shape, down, around, and up. Focus on moving from your core the entire time. Let's tap your left knee only. Focusing on one leg improves balance, core engagement, strength symmetry, and joint stability all at once. This is a great move for everyone. Let's go! Using the same leg, let's kick out to the side. Keep your kick gentle and low, balancing on one leg. Make sure your knee and toes are pointing forward as you kick out. go back to the knee tap on the right side. Here comes the side kick. It's very normal for one side to feel stronger or more controlled than the other. But we want to work toward balance by focusing on proper form and giving equal effort to both sides. Let's do powerful double punches up and down. Open your arms wide and throw strong fists. This is a calorie burning workout. Ready to do step kick? Kick step, kick step, kick step, kick step. Let's add your jab here. Jab, 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 jab. Let's keep it steady. Get ready to step back with your left foot into a bent knee position. Then stand back up. Use your left arm to throw a strong punch. Let's switch to the other side now. Step back and throw that punch. Let's step side to side. Step, touch. Bring your elbows back, then punch forward strong. Avoid overextending or locking your elbows when you punch. Keep your joints supported by your arm muscles. Stay here in a squat position. Keep your abs tight and throw jabs in every direction. Side, front, and diagonal. This will target every angle of your core muscles. Great job, everyone! Deep breathe in and out and drop your hands. Just feel that nice stretch in the back of your legs. Let it loosen up and relax. Roll up slowly. Open your legs wide. Shift your weight down to your left leg. Feel the stretch deepen and switch side. Turn around to your left. Push your left heel down. As you lean forward more, you'll feel a deeper stretch in your calf. Let's switch side. Stretch the side of your body by reaching the tips of your fingers to the opposite side. Clasp your hands together and push them forward while rounding your back. Now clasp your hands behind you, push them down, open your chest, and lift your chin up. Give me one more deep breath in. Thank you so much for joining the 2025 Get Fit Challenge. I hope you enjoyed cardio kick session. Don't miss out on your next challenge. Like and subscribe to KeikoFlex and say hi in the comments below. See you next time.